Hello, welcome to this Gold Star IT Zoho CRM demonstration. In this video, we'll explore how to use the map plotter for Zoho CRM extension. A powerful tool that helps you visualize your CRM data on a map, making it easy to plan visits, optimize routes, and better understand customer locations. If you've ever struggled to see where your leads, accounts, or deals are geographically located, this extension solves that problem beautifully. From your Zoho One dashboard, open up the side menu and navigate to the CRM. In your CRM, navigate to the Marketplace in your top menu. In here, you can search for Map Plotter. You can choose to install the Map Plotter extension from here. In this case, I've already installed it. Once it's installed, you can choose to configure it here. If you need any support installing and configuring your Map Plotter extension, please contact us at goldstarit.com. Let's have a look at this in action. So let's go to our contacts module. I want to filter my contacts by their sales rep. So at this point, I will select the contacts associated to the sales rep. I want to select all of them. I don't have to select all of them. I can just choose a selection. Then I've got a custom button up the top here that I'm going to click. This is a map plotter extension that has been installed. What this does, this visualizes those contacts that we've just selected on a map for us to view their locations in proximity to each other. This is using Google Maps API, so this gives us the full functionality of Google Maps. We can choose satellite images, we can add and remove our labels, and we can also use Street View. We can zoom right in on a location. And in satellite mode, where it's available, it'll also go into 3D mode. At this point, you can zoom in to better understand parking restrictions in a location before you visit. You'll notice within the map, they were labeled in different colors. There's a legend up here that shows how those colors work. So we can see that Donat Fowler has not been visited yet. And Simon Maresca was last visited on the 1st of October. And that correlates with the legend at the top there. The map plotter for Zoho CRM helps you to see your data in action. It saves you time, it improves your travel efficiency, and it uncovers regional sales insights. It's ideal for sales teams, account managers, and marketers who want to work smarter with location-based data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a like to let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one.